What's up, y'all? My name is Ron Green. I'm 36 years old and I'm from Philly. Now, before I started training with Tawanda, I was doing a lot of things on my own. I was doing the diet plans, the at-home workouts, the shakes, the meal replacements, and I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. So after I began training with Tawanda, I quickly realized what my problem was. It was my consistency. That's why I wasn't able to lose the weight that I wanted to lose. I also was a little apprehensive before I got with him because I'm a full-time entrepreneur. I work for myself and my plate is always full. But I'm really so glad that I took the time to start training with Tawanda because now I'm actually seeing the results that I want. I've been dropping weight and I'm feeling greater than I've ever felt in my life. So if you guys are on the fence about training with the Zimbabwe Fitness, get off the fence. Let's go.